what I found in a second-hand shop. So cute! Just need to clean off stickers. I never had one as a child, so it was a great find. Please recommend me some games. Freeze has a little black spot, but that's fine. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye? Why'd she say bye like that, lol?
We're here for the BTS meal.
A drink and fries. Chicken McNuggets.
One more thing.
Two more things. Sweet chili sauce and Cajun.
Get the BTS meal at McDonald's.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
Make a pinky promise, you keep it all your life. You break a pinky promise, Paimon throws you on the ice. The cold will kill the pinky that once betrayed your friend. The frost will freeze your tongue off so you never lie again.
I could see it on your face, it was rough. Left a bad taste on your tongue. And she didn't even take any drugs. She would rain all day.
Blind boxes finally arrived. I think maybe I want pink or toffee or cream. Okay. Oh. Okay, one sec. Oh, my heart. I'm very nervous right now. Okay. Yeah. I'm shaking. She is so cute. This one is Berry. She is literally on the cover here. Oh, she comes with her little name card. Alright, so this one, let's see what we get. Ah! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, it's Toffee! Toffee. I really wanted this one. And she has her own name card as well. Oh my gosh. So overall, I think this was a success.